I'm going to explain question number 4 from exercise 5.2, and this question belongs from 10th class maths. The third and ninth term of an arithmetic progression are 4 and -8 respectively. Which term of this will be 0? So in this question, the third term of an arithmetic progression is 4 and ninth term of arithmetic progression is -8 given to us. Once again I am repeating, third term is 4 and ninth term is -8, and these are the terms of same AP, and with the help of this information we have to find out that in this AP 0 is going to be which term. So means 0 will come at 5th place, 6th place, like this they want to ask. So we have to, now the question in which they are asking about the place, that in which place a particular number will come, or which term of this AP is 0. In that situation, the meaning is we have to find out n. N represents the position of a term in the AP. So here, since terms are available to us, so surely we are going to use the formula of nth term of an AP. So we'll start it. First we'll write down the given information. The given informations are here. Third term is A3 is 4, and ninth term means A9, that is -8 given to us. Now since terms are available, so we use the nth term formula. Since nth term of an AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So with the help of this formula, first we'll calculate A3 and then we'll calculate A9. So when we'll calculate A3, so instead of n, wherever n we have, we'll replace it by 3. And A I think you know it. What is the meaning of A? A means first term, D means common difference. Both are, we don't know both, so we are not going to replace them. Here simply instead of A3 we'll replace 4, and instead of n we'll replace 3, because third term we are going to calculate. So one by one for both we have to calculate it. So first we'll calculate for A3. So A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 D. That will give us 4 is equal to A plus 2D. That is equation first. Now we'll calculate equation second. Similarly, we are going to get A9. A9 is A plus 9 minus 1 D. Now what is A9? A9 means ninth term, that is -8. So we'll write here -8 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 is 8D. That is our equation second. Now in the both these equations we have not replaced A and D, because we didn't know the first term, that is A, and we don't know the common difference also. Now these both equations we have to solve, so we have to subtract them. So you can subtract equation 1 from 2 as well as 2 from 1. It's up to you. So on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get, so 1 from 2, so 2 we'll write down first. So equation 2 is -8 A plus 8 D. Then under this we'll write down equation 1, that is 4 is equal to A plus 2D. So just see here, since I am going to subtract 1 from 2, so the second equation I wrote first, and under that I adjusted the first equation, like column wise, like term just adjust. Now since you are subtracting, so sign will change, plus will change to minus, and here also it will change to minus, and here also it will change to minus. So subtraction of polynomials you already studied in 8th or 7th class, so you knew it. -8 minus 4 is -12. A minus A is 0. 8D minus 2D is going to be plus 6D. Now from here we got one information that 6d is equal to minus 12. Now from here we have to calculate the common difference, that is going to be d is equal to minus 12 divided by 6, that is minus 2. Now we obtain d. Now this d either you just replace in the equation 1 or replace in the equation 2. In any one equation, instead of d just write down minus 2, that will give you first term, that is a. So we are going to use, I am going to use equation 1. So we will write here on replacing d is equal to minus 2 in equation first, we get equation first we'll write down the equation first, that is 4 is equal to a plus 2d. That will give you 4 is equal to a plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Now it's going to be 4 is equal to a plus minus minus, because we have to multiply this plus 2 and minus 2. So plus multiplied by minus is minus. So it's going to be here minus 4. So 4, now this minus 4 when we shift in left side, sign will change, plus 4 a. So we'll obtain a as 8. So we'll write down a is equal to 8. So we obtained a as 8 and d also we obtained here. So with the help of a and d, we are going to calculate now zero's position. So we'll write here. Now since the question is asking that which term of this AP is 0, so we'll assume let another term of the AP is 0. So we'll write here let nth term of given AP is 0. Now what is the meaning of this line? This line meaning is an is equal to 0. Now so we assume that nth term of this AP is 0. Now here in the left side we will replace an by its formula, that is a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 0. So we will replace the values of a. A is 8 which we calculated, and we don't know, and d which we calculated is minus 2 is equal to 0. So I hope it's clear to you. Actually in the question they are asking that which term of the AP is 0. So we don't know which term, so we'll assume let nth term of the AP is 0. So nth term is an. So an equal to 0 we assumed. So in the left side instead of an I wrote its formula. Now in this formula a which we calculated 8 and d is calculated minus 2 I replaced, and we don't know and we have to find out here. So we'll write here since a is 8 and d is equal to minus 2. Now we'll solve this. We'll shift 8 in other side, so that will give us n minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. When we'll shift 8 in right side, sign will change, so minus 8. Now here this minus 2 is in multiplication with this bracket, so when we shift this minus 2 other side, it will go and divide. That will give you the next step, that is n minus 1 equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. So it's going to be n minus 1 is equal to plus 4. Now this 1 also will shift in other side, it is in minus, so its sign will change. So we'll get here n is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. So the conclusion is fifth term of the AP is 0. So we'll write here, which implies fifth term of given AP is 0. So in answer also we'll write down fifth term. So this question is completed. Further, if you have any problem, you can write down in the comment box so that I can solve your doubts. Thank you.